These are eastern red cedars found along the highways of Virginia, North Carolina, and West Virginia. They're a dense, growing cedar. They're easy to grow, and they grow in wetter soils and clay soils. The eastern red cedar will form a nice buffer for you along a highway if that's what you want. It'll not be a nice windbreak. It's also somewhat deer resistant, and you can plant it in an area where it's going to be for a naturalized setting, and will do quite well. At Highland Hill Farm, we sell both the seedlings, which you can plant directly out into the field as small little liners like this, or we sell balled and burlap cedars. These are cedars in one of our fields that we ship from. We sell them balled and burlap from this size up to about 8 to 10 foot in height. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for eastern red cedars. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.